Today, we're reviewing the HDFC MoneyBack Plus Credit Card, a smart option for online shoppers and UPI users. With this card, you earn 10 times reward points on spends at Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Big Basket, and Reliance Smart, capped at 2,500 points per month. You also get 2 points per 150 rupees spent on other purchases, including UPI payments if you're using the Rupee variant. UPI rewards are capped at 500 points per month. Each reward point is worth 25 paise, and you can redeem them against your credit card bill. A redemption fee of 99 rupees plus GST applies. Extra perks include 10% discount on Swiggy Dine Out, a 1% fuel surcharge waiver on monthly spends between 400 and 5,000 rupees, and a milestone benefit of 500 rupees voucher for every 1 lakh rupees spent in 6 months, up to 2,000 rupees per year. The card has an annual fee of 500 rupees plus GST, which is waived if you spend 50,000 rupees in a year. Plus, you get 500 reward points as a welcome gift. Final verdict. For frequent shoppers and UPI users, the MoneyBack Plus credit card delivers excellent value, especially during sales. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.